Let's solve some application problems using a system of linear equations. Here is the first problem. Please read the question carefully. Let the number of pigs be represented by x and the number of chickens by y. Since pigs have 4 legs each and chickens have 2 legs each, the equations are 4x plus 2y equals 180, and since there are a total of 70 animals, we have x plus y equals 70. Multiplying both sides of the second equation by 2 and aligning the two equations, we can use the elimination method and get 2x equals 40. Solving for x, we find that x equals 20. Therefore, y equals 50. Consequently, there are 20 pigs and 50 chickens. Now, let's move on to the second problem. Please read the question carefully. Let H represent the number of half dollars, Q represent the number of quarters, and D represent the number of dimes. From the given conditions, we have H equals 2D minus 2. And Q equals 4D plus 1. The total value of the coins is $20.25, leading to the equation 0.50H plus 0.25Q plus 0.10D equals 20.25. Let's check the system of linear equations. Substituting the expressions for H and Q into this equation, we obtain a new equation. To eliminate decimals, we multiply both sides by 100. After simplifying, the equation becomes 210D minus 75 equals 2025. Solving for D, we find D equals 10. Therefore, there are 10 dimes, 18 half dollars, and 41 quarters. This is the third problem. Please read it carefully. Let the speed of the airplane be represented by A, and the speed of the wind by W. Consequently, the system of linear equations becomes A plus W equals 550 and A minus W equals 500. Using the elimination method, we add the two equations, eliminating W. As a result, we find that A equals 525. Additionally, solving for W, we get W equals 25. Therefore, the airplane has a speed of 525 miles per hour, and the wind has a speed of 25 miles per hour. Now, the final problem. Please read it carefully. Let's denote the quantity of a 5% salt solution as X liters and the quantity of an 8% salt solution as Y liters. The concentration of a salt solution is defined as the ratio of the amount of dissolved salt to the total amount of the solution. Although not visible, the amount of dissolved salt can be determined by multiplying the concentration by the total quantity of the salt solution. Let's calculate the amount of dissolved salt in each solution. Create 3 expressions by multiplying the concentration of each salt solution by the quantity of the salt solution, forming the equation based on the creation of a 7% salt solution with 6 liters. We set up a system of linear equations. To eliminate decimals, we multiply both sides of the first equation by 100, and the second equation by 5 to use the elimination method. We subtract the second equation from the first, resulting in 3y equals 12. Solving for y, we find y equals 4. Consequently, x equals 2. Therefore, the quantity of the 5% salt solution is 2 liters, and the quantity of the 8% salt solution is 4 liters. In saltwater problems, it is crucial to understand the definition of concentration. See you next time.